Good morning, students. Welcome to you all in chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss objective questions of chapter acid, bases and salt. First, a multiple choice question. Which one of the given salt does not contain water of crystallization? First option given है blue vitriol, second baking soda, third is washing soda and fourth is gypsum. Yes, Mox Taneja.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. What is the formula of baking soda, बच्चे?
Baking soda formula है HCO
No.
और 2Na.
HCO3. Baking soda. Sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Blue vitriol.
CuSO4 5H2O. And washing soda. Sodium carbonate 10H2O. और जिप्सम का फॉर्मूला क्या आता है? कैल्शियम सल्फेट डाइहाइड्रेट 2 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. अब इसमें बेकिंग सोडा है जिसमें वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन नहीं है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, बेकिंग सोडा. नेक्स्ट इज what is formed when zinc reacts with sodium hydroxide? What is formed when zinc react with sodium hydroxide? First option, zinc hydroxide and sodium. Second, sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. Third option, sodium zinc oxide and hydrogen gas. Last option given as sodium zincate and water. What is formed when zinc react with sodium hydroxide? Yes, Manik Khurana.
Ma'am, option C, sodium zinc oxide and hydrogen gas.
No. Second option, sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. अगर हम इसकी इक्वेशन लिखे तो Zn plus NaOH, sodium hydroxide, give rise to sodium zincate. Sodium zincate का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? Na2ZnO2 plus hydrogen gas H2. इक्वेशन को बैलेंस करने के लिए 2 NaOH. Next, Metto is the natural source of which acid? Acetic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, oxalic acid. Yes, Mandeep, roll number 31.
Oxalic acid.
Very good. It's oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. Brine is an aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. Second option, aqueous solution of sodium carbonate. Then third option, aqueous solution of sodium chloride. And the last option is aqueous solution of sodium bicarbonate. Brine is an aqueous solution of, yes, Riya of 10th green.
Brine is an aqueous solution of sodium chloride.
Very good. Brine is an aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Sodium carbonate decahydrate, Na2CO3 10H2O, is washing soda, baking soda, bleaching powder, tartaric acid. Srishti Malhotra.
Ma'am, option A, washing soda.
Very good. Washing soda. Sodium carbonate decahydrate is washing soda. Next, at what temperature gypsum heated to form plaster of Paris? 90 degree, 100 degree, 110 degree. 120 degree. At what temperature gypsum heated to form plaster of Paris? Suhana Bindra.
100 degrees Celsius.
100 degree. Suhana, what is the formula of gypsum?
Ma'am, CaSO4 2H2O.
Calcium sulfate dihydrate on heating at 100 degree, or you can say 373 Kelvin. Right? It form plaster of Paris calcium sulfate dihydrate. Sorry, calcium sulfate hemihydrate. This gypsum, and this is plaster of Paris, POP. POP chemical name calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Next, sodium carbonate is basic salt because it is a salt of strong acid and strong base, weak acid and weak base, strong acid and weak base, weak acid and strong base. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is a salt of strong acid, strong base, weak acid, weak base, strong acid, weak base, weak acid, strong base. Yes, Daksh, roll number 30.
Weak acid and strong base.
Weak acid and strong base. Sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. इसमें बेस कौन सा होता है? NaOH एंड एसिड कार्बोनिक एसिड H2CO3. अब NaOH सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड कहते हैं स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस एंड कार्बोनिक एसिड वीक एसिड. अब बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो ये सॉल्ट भी क्या होगा? बेसिक. सोडियम कार्बोनेट इज अ बेसिक सॉल्ट. Next is, which of the given statement is correct about aqueous solution of acid or of a base? Higher the pH, stronger the acid. Higher the pH, weaker the acid. Lower the pH, stronger the base. Lower the pH, weaker the base. अब इनमें से कौन सी ऑप्शन करेक्ट है? pH. pH 7 neutral. pH less than 7 acidic. pH more than 7 basic. Yes, Bhumi.
Ma'am, the answer will be D. Second, higher the pH, weaker the acid, and lower the pH and weaker the base.
तो कौन सी ऑप्शन यहाँ पे करेक्ट ऑप्शन है? A, B, C, D में से
D option.
which one?
D. Last option.
Yes, D option. Next is slaked lime reacts with chlorine to give bleaching powder, baking soda, washing soda. Slaked lime react with chlorine. Slaked lime reacts with chlorine to give. Yes, Navkirat Singh.
Ma'am, bleaching powder.
Yes, right. Bleaching powder. What is the chemical name of bleaching powder, Navkirat? Chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride, स्लेट लाइम होता है कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. When it react with chlorine Cl2, it form calcium oxychloride. Common name bleaching powder. That is calcium oxychloride. Next is tooth enamel is made of calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate, calcium oxide, and potassium. First option calcium phosphate, second option calcium carbonate, third calcium oxide, and fourth potassium. Arshpreet Singh, roll number 27.
Calcium phosphate, A option.
Very good. Calcium phosphate. What is the pH range of body? What is the pH range of our body? First option given as 7 to 7.8. Second 7.2 to 8. Third option 7 to 8.4. D option given as 7.2 to 8.4. pH range. Yes, Guransh, roll number 43.
7 to 7.8.
Yes,
7 to 7.8.
7 to 7.8. Very good, Guransh. Rain is known as acidic rain when its pH falls down 7. When its pH falls below 7, pH below 6, pH below 5.6, pH is above 7. Rain is acidic rain if its pH is. Sukhdeep Kaur.
Ma'am, C option, pH falls below 5.6.
Very good. pH below 5.6. An aqueous solution turn red litmus blue. An aqueous solution turn red litmus blue. Excess addition of which of the given solution would reverse the change? Baking powder, lime, hydroxide solution. Last option given a hydrochloric acid. An aqueous solution turn red litmus blue. It means a basic solution. Yes, Khushi Shabra.
Ma'am, D hydrochloric acid.
Yes. इसका आंसर है डी हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. Sodium hydroxide turns phenolphthalein solution pink, yellow, colorless, orange. Sodium hydroxide base turns phenolphthalein solution pink, yellow, colorless, orange. Sayam, roll number 5.
First option pink.
Pink. Sodium hydroxide turns phenolphthalein solution pink. Right. Next, name the acid present in orange and tomatoes. Acids present in orange. Khushi, roll number 36.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Orange में citric acid, tomato में oxalic acid.
Very good. ऑरेंजेस में सिट्रिक एसिड, ऑरेंजेस में सिट्रिक एसिड, उसमें ऑक्सैलिक एसिड। Next is, what is the color of phenolphthalein in basic medium and color of methyl orange in acidic medium? Phenolphthalein color in basic medium and methyl orange color in acidic medium. Harsh Clare, roll number 45.
Phenolphthalein color in base is pink and methyl
orange in acidic medium. आपने ये लिखा था रॉय मेमोरिएट मिथाइल ऑरेंज इंडिकेटर,
red.
और ये कलर इसका एसिड में और ये कलर इसका बेस में। हाँ जी, मिथाइल ऑरेंज इन एसिड
red.
red. The color of phenolphthalein in basic medium is pink and in methyl orange in acidic medium is red. Yes, next. Yes, Srishti Malhotra. Read कीजिए बेटा पहले क्वेश्चन।
Ma'am, olfactory indicators.
पहले क्वेश्चन रीड कीजिए। क्या
What is the name given to the indicators? What is the name given to the indicators giving different orders in acidic and basic medium? Answer is olfactory indicator.
olfactory indicators. Next is, what is the milkiness due to when carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water? Milkiness due to when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water. Yes, Ishita.
Ma'am, when CO2 gas is passed from the lime water, then it will turn milky.
Due to formation of, yes, Mokshaneja.
Calcium carbonate.
Due to formation of calcium
Carbonate and hydrogen.
Calcium carbonate. Next is,
NH2.
what is the action of hydrochloric acid on marble or eggshells? What is the action of hydrochloric acid on marble or eggshells? Marble calcium carbonate, eggshell be calcium carbonate, hydrochloric acid HCl, and marble calcium carbonate, eggshell भी क्या होता है calcium carbonate. What happens when hydrochloric acid reacts with calcium carbonate? Hydrochloric acid and calcium carbonate. Yes, Suhana Bindra.
It forms carbon dioxide gas.
It forms calcium chloride plus H2O plus carbon dioxide gas. Which acid is produced in stomach? Yes, Riya.
Ma'am, hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid. Good. Name the chemical used in making fire extinguishers. Khushi Chabra,
And baking soda.
baking soda
And sulfuric acid.
right, sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda plus sulfuric acid. What is Arrhenius' definition of acids?
According to Arrhenius, acids are those substances which produce hydrogen ions, hydrogen positive ions in aqueous solution.
Khushi Chabra,
According to Arrhenius, acids are the substances which contain hydrogen and which, when dissolved in water, give hydrogen ion in the solution.
next is, which acid is injected to a body by bee sting that causes pain? Vansh Arora, roll number 28.
Methanoic acid.
Methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Its common name is formic acid. फॉर्मूला होता है इसका HCOOH. Next is, what happens when the blue crystals of copper sulfate are heated? What happens when the blue crystals of copper sulfate are heated? ब्लू कलर के क्रिस्टल्स कॉपर सल्फेट के हीट करें तो क्या होगा? यस खुशी, रोल नंबर 36.
When we heat the crystals of copper sulfate, water is removed and the turns white.
ब्लू कलर क्रिस्टल्स किसमें चेंज हो जाएंगे? व्हाइट कलर में. राइट बच्चे जी? सृष्टि मल्होत्रा.
Ma'am, white anhydrous copper sulfate crystals are formed.
Next is, which gases are produced at cathode and anode when brine is electrolyzed? Brine क्या होता है? Aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Gases produced at cathode and at anode when brine is electrolyzed. Okay, Arshpreet.
Chlorine gas is produced at anode and hydrogen gas is produced at cathode.
Yes. At cathode, a hydrogen gas, and at anode, Cl2 gas. Cl2, chlorine gas. At cathode, hydrogen gas. At anode, chlorine gas. What is the chemical formula of bleaching powder and what is its name? Suhana Bindra.
Chemical formula of bleaching powder is, ma'am, full formula.
Yes, beta. Calcium oxychloride.
Okay.
CaOCl2. And chemical name, calcium oxychloride.
CaOCl2.
Give one use of bleaching powder other than bleaching. One use of calcium oxychloride.
It is used for disinfecting drinking water to make it free of germs.
Very good. Next is, what is the common name of sodium hydrogen carbonate? Common name of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Daksh.
Baking soda.
Its common name is baking soda. Common name of sodium hydrogen carbonate, baking soda. Yes. The components of baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture of
Tartaric acid and baking soda.
हाँ जी, repeat कीजिए बेटा. Baking powder is a mixture of
Tartaric acid and baking soda.
and baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Name the sodium compound which is used as an antacid. Yes, Bhumi.
Ma'am, baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Very good. Baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. Next is, what is the commercial name of the compound sodium sulfate hemihydrate? Name of compound calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Yes, Mukul.
Ma'am, plaster of Paris.
Right, plaster of Paris, POP. POP.